In this video, I will be discussing points in 3D space, vectors for direction and movements, matrices for geometric data manipulations. Points in 3D space. Mathematics defines points in 3D space using coordinates x, y, z, where each coordinates represent a position along a specific axis. Euclidean geometry provides the framework for measuring distances and defining relationship between points, lines, and planes in 3D space. Points serves as the building blocks for creating geometric objects such as polygons, curves, and surfaces in computer graphics. Vectors for direction and movement. Vectors are mathematical entities that represent both magnitude and direction. In graphics, vectors are used to describe various properties such as position, velocity, acceleration, and force. For example, in 3D graphics, a vector xyz can represent a displacement from one point to another, indicating both the direction and distance of movement. Vectors are fundamental for transformation such as translation, rotation, scaling, and skewing of objects in 3D space. Vectors arithmetic including addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and dot cross product. It used intensively in graphics to manipulate direction and perform calculations. Matrices for geometric data manipulation. Matrices are rectangular arrays of numbers that are used to perform transformation and manipulation on geometric data in 3D space. In graphics, matrices are commonly used to present transformations such as translation, rotation, scaling, and sharing. Transformation matrices are applied to points and vectors to change their position, orientation, or scale in space. Matrix multiplication is used to combine multiple transformations into a single matrix, allowing for efficient processing of geometric operations. Homogeneous coordinates and transformation matrices are employed to represent affine transformation, enabling to representation of translation as matrix operations.